In this video, I am going to be showing how you can make an awesome level roll system with Arcane board. Also, I will tell you exactly how you can make your level rolls more appealing. So starting up, we will make rolls and choose colors for it. So to choose a cool gradient color, we have to go to the colors.co website. Now press on the explore trending palettes. Then click on search and choose your preferred color. As a free user, you will be only able to choose one color at a time. After choosing any color, you will see palettes related to that color. I will use this palette for reference. Moving back to Discord, you will create few level rolls. I prefer to make level rolls in multiples of 5 so that they can be managed easily. You can also use different names to make it more interesting, but make sure to mention the level in the role name to make it understandable. Moving on, we have to add Arcane bot. You will get the invite link in the description. Once you have added it, go to arcane.bot. Once you are on the dashboard, go to the configure option of the leveling section. You will see various types of settings here. Some of them are even premium feature, but I will recommend to experiment with the free features first. Moving on to the main part, scroll down to the role rewards section. Now you will pick any number and choose a respective role to add it. After adding all the roles, you will see a stack rewards option on the top. If you have unique permission with level roles, then you should keep it on. But if these roles are just for customizing purpose, then I would consider turning it off. And now if you send few messages, you will see that the bot has sent a rank up message and you have the rank roles. Subscribe if you have made this far in the video, and if you are having any problem, join my Discord server. Bye.